Alright guys, there you have it. I think these came out so good. I really like the new paper that I'm using. I got this off of Amazon and it's a thinner photo paper, which makes it really good for chip bag. It's not as thick as regular photo paper and it's still glossy. And I'll link this paper in the description box down below. I got it off of Amazon. I got 100 sheets and I think it was around $10. As you may have noticed, I was struggling a bit using this paper Crimper because I just started using one, but it does work and it makes the chip bag look really nice, and it gives the bag that crease. Alright guys, so if you head on over to my website hangingwiththekiddos.com and sign up for my email list if you're not subscribed already, and you will get access to all of my freebies, including this one, and you can download and print these for free. If you use them, please tag me on Instagram at Hanging with the Kiddos. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos or any of my freebies that I post here. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.